channel. If you're new here, my name is J3. This channel is about me. Today is a very cloudy day. I got the day off of work, Monday. It's kind of cool up here in the mountains. I'm going to check out Paradise Cove. Links to other videos can be seen right in here somewhere from Paradise Cove. I haven't been up there in, I think, three years now. So here we are, summer of 2021. It's not a warm day. I don't plan on jumping out here at this cliff jumping place, but I just want to get some cinematography and whatnot. So let's make our way up the mountain and see what we got. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel already. I try to infuse a lot of adventure into my life as much as I can. I still work a day job, and I'm trying to get to where I don't have to work the day job anymore and just do this here full time. So enjoy your day and enjoy the video.
There's a feeling in my soul, can't defeat it. I lose control on your marks. Get set, are you ready to go? Give me meaning when I'm low, when I'm bleeding. You push me on your marks. Get set, are you ready to go? There's fire in our love. Fire in our love.
So it's like between a quarter-mile and a half-mile hike up here. Seems really easy this time, like I'm actually in shape or something. Then once you get up here to the top, you can kind of peer over this rock and see where the people that jumped the 80-foot, somewhere around 80-foot point, start from. Right over here. So the water's way down this channel, way down. It's like 2 feet lower than I've seen it before. That was insane. Waterfall like nothing there.
There's fire in our love.
Well, thanks for watching. I'm going to end this one right here. There's not much more to be said about this place at this time of year, so make sure, like I said, hit that sub. Drop a comment if you've ever been up here before, what you like about this place. See you on the next video. Peace, love, and kindness, and keep a wrinkle in it, y'all. Wait a minute. Hold that outro. We're not quite done yet. I want to go drive up to Guffey City itself. It's been like over a decade since I've been up to Guffey. I remember there was like an old wagon or some kind of old farm equipment sitting somewhere. I just remember it stood out. We'll put it that way. It stood out somehow. So see if I can see it up here. R ran out of card space, so I had to switch to the GoPro. I guess that's my cue that this vlog is over. Now, please, by all means, roll that outro.